Which was good.
I told Ranzi.
He knows the Holy Trinity.
Hey, Holy Trinity we understand. I think we are talking about the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Alright. So where does the Holy Spirit come in?
The Holy Spirit.
Where does the Holy Spirit come in?
You can actually explain to me because in Iniga, I'm just saying that I know that.
Because in Iniga, I don't need to explain to you. In the way explain,
I'm trying to understand more because
but you Jesus before.
Jesus was there in the beginning.
Adam and Eve.
Creation of the world.
Adam and Eve.
Adam and Eve were creation yakatozoitwa Jesu aripo kudhara.
Jesus
had not become flesh.
Jesus had not become flesh.
He had not become flesh, so but he was there.
But when
in the spirit,
he became flesh after
Jesus became flesh na Mary.
After that, what rules?
Jesus was not conceived. Jesus was not conceived. Spirit yakangopinda muumima Mary. But Joseph angana Mary.
He was not conceived 9 months.
So that you believe, so that he became flesh. For him to become flesh
and was conceived of a virgin.
If he had, Jesus Mary weweji waita numbu ya Jesus. After 2 days people would not have believed because he would have been a miracle baby. But for him to become flesh, kuti vanhu vanyaso accept kuti munhu uyu munhu in the true sense yemunhu ari munhu after kurova 9 months dzake dzakakwana in the womb andozvaakaita kuconceive kureva kuti sperm iri kusangana neova. That did not happen. That did
not of a Holy Spirit.
Of a Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit yakatonama.
Yakanama nani kuyi urudishi.
Holy Spirit ndo yakanama kafeji. Yakauya pamusoro pameri kuti aite nhumbu. Kwete in the head kwete zvikanzwisa inonzi ngiro zibvetu uchazvara. Mwana wemweya mutsvene. Ende uchamuchedza kuti Emmanuel uchizvira kuti Mwari anesu.
God is with us. And good. I'm going to my name. Good. But I got to start Emmanuel.
Because he's now flesh.
Yo, what I'm going Marasa did Holy Emmanuel I Selassie. Yeah. But no, I started.
I mean, do not ask them, but explain.
We are not a joke.
Because he has the energy.
I started Rasta.
Because
Holy Emmanuel mambo wetu uyenzwisa zinorevi zvikureva kakutika kukudza chi aiva kukudza mwana Emmanuel akazvarwa mwana washe akazvarwa nengirozi yaMwari.
And then where does the Selassie come in?
Selassie was the last descendant. No, he's the last descendant.
The last
descendant of King Solomon.
Of King Solomon. He was the father of Ningi. He was what? He was Kuskavese. But Eman and Young are the last.
Oh, saka avazoita zvavo zvavakuita kuNew Testament havana kuzoita carry on genealogy.
No, because unoziva aiwa chakazonetsa ka ndechekuti ava vada kuda kubelieve because now it was in Africa. That's where everything all started.
In Africa, the cradle of mankind. Jesu chachida kureva uri mwana mudiki ka vakatotiza Joseph na Mary vakatiza naye ku Egypt
ku Africa.
Uyazonzwisisa. Selassie Haile Selassie aigara ku Ethiopia ku Africa. Uyazokita. Zvinhu zvese ka it's like all the beliefs you have ka it's like
fine. In that time frame between Jesus and Joseph, vachitiza which Selassie.
Sha. Anonotora Bible.
Man bokutara.
Selassie.
Ayo, azida kutara because it's kutara the creation.
The creation.
Unozaudi. Ayo, he is part of.
Because genealogy ya Jesus totangira kuna King David.
Sha. Totora Bible.
Ayo, mera ndikuzi. Uyati tinaenda kuna King David.
Anda totora Bible. Singanetsa.
Bible riri tora sha nditori bo.
All right, man ndamba kubvunza. They say Africans are not civilized. And we are usatore Bible man. Garapa. Where was civilization started? Yakatangira ubu civilization. You know claim one warung.
No claim one. This account is civilization.
Egypt.
According to that is his story.
No, it's our story.
Where were the Israelites? All right, my Israelites. Vaigara ku Africa. Vaigara ku Egypt.
You know what? Israel was a country. Israel is not a country.
Israel is a tribe.
No, Israel is not a country. Van vakatoba Pakistan. Nika land. We've all created a country.
That's why kuna Israelites, nema Ishmaelites.
Kuna Jacobites,
Levites, they are 12 tribes.
But where does that relate to the question yangatina yopekutanga?
Go back. You can answer anything.
Jesus yaMwari.
Where does that relate to
Utaridza kuti Jesu haasi Mwari why because Jesus ane genealogy. Jesu
genealogy ya Jesu ya inotaurwa. Unozati genealogy ya Jesus ndeyekuti chi? Handiti? Iya inobva from Joseph. Urunzwa acho akanzi baba vake. Urunzwa Joseph ndiye the son of David and what? Not Jesus. Because Jesus was before David, as before one. But in the flesh, because zvavari kutaura izvozvo takutaura manje paDNA kuti dai takamutora kana DNA taitarisa zvizvozvo. But in the spirit manje Jesus was there in the beginning. Jesus was before Adam and Eve.
I wasn't there in the beginning, but according to my understanding,
because
Jesus was conceived.
According to your understanding,
of a virgin was called Mary.
According to
after
understanding,
the angel Gabriel had
let's not
argue.
Let's not argue. All right. I'm not arguing. All right. What I'm saying is, the one verse and First John verse 1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word became flesh. I didn't do that. Ipapo
saka Jesu izwi rakazoita nyama because shona checheche ndo chandokwanisa kuzisa chirungu ichi
exactly.
Oh what ichi what Jesu ichi chakazoita chi izwi rakazoita munhu
pakutanga Mwari akasika denga nyika yanga isina kugadzirwa isina chiuno rima rakanga riripo pamusoro pemvura yakadzika mweya waMwari wanga uchigadzira pamusoro pemvura Mwari akati chiedza ngachivepo chiedza chikavepo Mwari akaona kuti chiedza chakanaka Mwari akaparadza chiedza nerima.
Go to 21.
I said that Jambekanga. Let's just go with the chronology, you know.
The Old Testament, guys. The New Testament.
First John, John 1. Panotangira John.
Pekutanga shoko rakanga riripo, shoko ranga riri kuna Mwari, shoko ranga riri Mwari. Ireri pekutanga rakanga riri kuna Mwari, zvino zvose zvakaitwa naye kunze kwake hakuna kuitwa kunyangwe chinhu chimwe chakaitika. In English, you know, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
Carry on.
The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by Him, and without Him was not anything made that was made.
With God, ndiyaringotaurwa chete
Hapana mwe munhu.
hapana mwe munhu.
Sera muna ataure.
Ati zvinhu zvaise zvakaitwa through Him, not through God, but through Him who was with God.
All things were made by Him, and without Him was not anything made that was made. Because the same was in the beginning with God.
The same is the word yataurwa. The same being
the word was God.
Right.
Chiroti Mwari baba sinachi?
Tukuita uyaunzwe.
Akasiri
pane nyaya pana munhu
akasiri human.
Uya.
Yakuno.
Hauti batsiri.
It was totally voice.
Let's carry on.
And the light is
read that verse again.
in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Shungotira kunzi pekutanga shoko ranga riri shoko raMwari. Shoko racho ranga riri Mwari, which means Mwari ndiye Wedzera ndiye Mwari.
Saka Jesus akazoya papra.